Today we are going to make a very yummy and delicious recipe in a very easy method. Today we are going to make mutton kofta. Let's note the ingredients for mutton kofta or meatballs. 1 kilogram muddy raw mince, 1 raw egg, 2 tablespoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Ian using here already freezed ginger and garlic paste. To know how to store ginger and garlic paste for long time, check the description box. 2 green chilies, fresh coriander leaves, salt as required, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon mixed spice powder, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, cooking oil for fry. For more ingredients details, check the description box. Now let's start the cooking process.